Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on INFINIX Hot 50 Pro. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on all services and then click on parental controls and click on let's do this, then click sign in. And now you have to enter your email address. Then click next. And here you have to enter your password. Then click I agree. And now click accept. And click on supervise. Then click next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click next. And here you have to enter your password. Now you have to scroll down, and here you have to enter your child password again. Then click next. And click allow. Now scroll down and click next. And click done. And as you can see, my parental control is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.